Hey folks, my name is Jim Dufault. I'm the General Manager for I/O Systems, based right here in Indianapolis. Now, I/O Systems is a premier manufacturer of zoning control systems, dampers, specialty controls, and even thermostats. Now, if you would, just for a couple of minutes, if you'd stay with me, I'd like to take you through several of our products because we believe what we manufacture here at I/O Systems can be an exceptional solution for your customers, contractors, their everyday problems and concerns that they run into. So if you would, just for a couple moments. Now, like I said, we're a specialty controls manufacturer. We also do dampers and zoning control systems. So our zoning control panels, we manufacture a 2-zone, a 3-zone, and even a 6-zone panel as well. That's expandable to 9 zones and then again out to 12 zones. Of course, we also do dampers. We manufacture dampers in virtually every shape and size imaginable. We have them in-house here in the warehouse in the back, ready to go for you. We manufacture them in round and in rectangular. And what's unique too is we also manufacture dampers that are compatible with Carrier and Bryant systems as well as Trane and American Standard. So would love to be able to get some of these into your hands. Now when it comes to zoning systems as well, we also talk about static pressure when you're doing zoning systems. Of course, we also manufacture a full line of manual bypass dampers as well as electronic bypass dampers. But one of the greatest features to what we manufacture here is our Zone ESP. This is a static pressure control system that integrates our zone panel into them. This is pretty much what it looks like right here. So either our 2 or our 3-zone panel is wired directly in with the ESP, the electronic static pressure control panel as well. And what this does is it monitors the static pressure within a system itself and then makes adjustments to the dampers at the zone to relieve that static bypass pressure that's in the system. So you're never going to have to install a bypass system ever again. So now when I also talk about specialty controls, we get into several different kinds. Obviously we do a wireless relay. This is great when you need wireless communication because a wire's been cut, damaged, or lost. You don't want to have to run a wire. We do a twinning kit. This is tremendous because it allows one thermostat to control either 2 or even up to 4 HVAC systems. We also do a wireless energy monitoring system. Now, you've probably seen these around if you've ever stayed at a motel or a hotel or some type of vacation rental. What this system does is when a door or a window is open, after 2 minutes, it shuts the HVAC system off. Again, when that door or window is closed, again, after 2 minutes, it kicks the system back on. And then we do a geo panel as well. This is for radiant floor heating when there's also a forced air system. And then finally, a lead lag controller lets you alternate between 2 HVAC systems. We even do a condensing unit alarm system down here. This is great. Up to 4 condensing units can be wired with this so that if somebody tampers with the condensing unit or they cut the coolant line or they even cut the electricity to the system to try to steal it, it's going to sound an 118 decibel alarm right there where they're standing. Plus, it also can be wired into the building's alarm system. There's even an auto dialer, so it can dial out to another device to let you know, hey, I'm being taken. Now, we also do a fresh air ventilation kit. This is completely compliant with ASHRAE standard 62.2. We make it in either a 6 or an 8-inch damper. It'll come as a kit for you, so you'll get the 6 or 8-inch damper along with the control panel and a 20 VA transformer with that as well. And then finally, we do thermostats as well. Now, one of the greatest or one of the biggest sellers that we manufacture, and this is patented, this is a temp-stat. And these are great for construction sites. This allows you to be able to maintain the temperature in that structure, the temperature that you want, not what somebody else wants. So you don't have to worry about installing an expensive thermostat that can be stolen, it can be damaged and tampered with, another subcontractor coming in and cranking the heat up or really bringing the AC down, doing the work and then leaving and then sticking that contractor that you have with the bill. So these are patented. They have a capacitor on the inside that prevents arcing, which obviously creates heat and takes the tolerances out. So a patented design. And then finally, we make a Titan thermostat. Now this is a programmable, universal touchscreen, 3-heat, 2-cool thermostat. And if you look down here, we even imprint in-house. So if you have a contractor that wants his actual logo and phone number on thermostats that he installs, we do that in-house, and guess what? We do it absolutely free. All your contractor needs to do is order 6 or more of these. We ship them to you probably within a day or so after imprinting and get them into your hands. Your contractors are going to love this. So this is pretty much it, taking you through this. Now, we would love to be able to get a catalog into your hand along with your wholesale pricing as well. Again, IO Systems, we believe that we do manufacture the best products in the country for your HVAC contractors to help them solve problems that they have every day. Feel free to reach out to us. Obviously, you can find us online at www.iohvacsystems.com. You can request a catalog there as well, and you can look through our complete line of products that we offer, and some that aren't even here. And then, of course, if you'd like to call us, you can do that anytime at 888-359-0362. We'd be more than happy to get a catalog into your hands and talk to you a little bit more about what IO Systems can do for you and your contractors. I'm Jim Dufault for IO Systems. Thanks for watching.